Biblical words sent to all of us. Tanakh, the New Testament, and the Quran. Judaism, Christianity, Islamic Brotherhood, and Proselytism. Judaic Proselytism, Kabbalist newspaper, Zohar-Proselytism. By the witness of the wise men of Israel, learning the books of the Zohar is part of a clean soul of a person in the obeying the will of the Creator. The proselytes learn the Kabbalah, which is the soul of the Holy Torah. Tens of books which are written and published by Daniel Yustar, proselyte, spread it in freely on the planet Earth, so the spiritual knowledge of all wisdom according to the prophets of Tanakh, who said the word that our planet Earth is filled in the understanding and acknowledgement of God. Will live, the seas are filled like the seas are filled with water. Isaiah 11:9. 2:14. The learning of the Torah is growing of faith in the Creator, in the spiritual growth of every person. Knowing tens of tomes of Zohar have been published on the Russian language, and those who desire to get those books they can. In Hasidism, also the Zohar is on the Russian language and can be owned. On the topic of Kabbalah, and authors like E. Beraga and Dr. Michael Lightman. By the opinion of many rabbis, we need to read Kabbalistic books. We need to be careful what they are teaching, that they are teaching according to the Torah. If they do not say as the Torah claims, or as the holy books of Tanakh and the New Testament and the Quran continue the truth, if they contain light in them or not. Isaiah 8:20. The first Kabbalistic book is made for Gentiles, that if the sons of Noah that are still on the beginning of the spiritual level and obeying the 7 laws of Noah, Genesis 9, Acts 15th chapter, spiritual young that are still drinking milk, Hebrews 5:12 through 14. In this book is written that must be the spiritual path of the descendants of Noah. No, they must drive through to the growth toward the greater spiritual levels of truth. And until to the house of Israel, this is what Jesus wanted, John 10:16. And his apostles fully have taught proselytism. Ephesians 2:12, Revelation 12:17, 14:12. In our 21st century, the gates of peace are opened through Kabbalah. When we learn the Kabbalah, we turn the darkness into light. The book of Zohar was written for the choice sent its beginning. In our times, these truths are open to visitors and people and small groups and chosen ones no longer, but to the mass public. The book of the Zohar is the basic and the mystical knowledge book in the Kabbalistic writing. The book of Zohar is required in Jigela Nishma and gives the spiritual understanding of the book of Zohar, talks about our soul and what areas it exists.